we can do a little housekeeping. Let's look at Jose. We know that Jose used the string and he had one piece of paper. So down this column, which is graph paper, one piece of paper, and he used the string. So we're going to just go ahead and fill in what we know. So we know that Jose did the graph paper and the string. So in this row, I can fill in X's, and in this column, I will fill in X's. Now, we don't know exactly what garden activity he was doing. All we know is that he wasn't picking vegetables. So we can just say X for picking vegetables. Okay, we can kind of do the same thing for Kai. Kai, we know, was picking vegetables, and he was using a measuring cup, and he had 3 pieces of paper. So in this this column, we're going to put an O for 3 pieces of paper, and an O for the measuring cup. And then we'll go and put X's in the remaining spots of that row and that column. And same thing here. This column and this row. And okay, and we know that Kai was 3 pieces. So if we go to the 3 pieces row, we know he's picking vegetables and he was using a measuring cup, so we can fill that information out. So put X's in the rest of this row and the rest of this column. And we know Kai can't be graph paper or note card. And we already know that 3 pieces of paper was wax paper, and Kai has 3 pieces, so we know Kai has to have the wax paper. So we're going to fill in X's for that column and X's for that row, for Kai's row. And let's see, what else do we know? So the measuring cup we know has to be used by Kai, and Kai used the wax paper, so we can fill in that information. And X's for the rest of that row, and X's for the rest of that column. And wax paper is used by Kai, and Kai was picking vegetables, so wax paper goes with picking veggies. So I'll put an O there, and X's in the rest of that row, and X's in the rest of that column. And I think now we've got what we need for Kai filled out. So now we can go on to the next clue.